Government driven opportunities transforming lives. Dr. the Honorable Andrew Holness, the best Jamaican Prime Minister ever. Hello again, everyone. I hope you are feeling good as much as I am. SkyWalker here. I feel the vibes to spark up the energy and raise the glass as usual. Raise your glass. Let's celebrate. For it does make sense to celebrate the good stuff and stop finding political excuses or listening to those that find political excuses. Maybe from the chain man and his chain gang, or is it the FINSAC gang? Ask Jamaica 411 or Protect Jamaica. Maybe they will tell you that the rabbit hole goes deep with these excuse makers like Panton, who dates back to FINSAC, Mark Goldings' special time. And while the rabbit hole goes so deep, thank goodness our Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness, is giving us things to celebrate. Let's celebrate then and keep out the leeches of yesterday from our country's coffers so they will not get to leech tomorrow and destroy our country's coffers again. And you, Mr. Panton, the Russian, shame on you, sir. Very, very shame on you, I must say. Well, now, raise your glasses and let's go on to the good news, my people. Jamaica land we love is a beautiful island nation known for its vibrant culture and resilient people. We have been recovering from chain gangs and FINSAC makeup pillagings, those that were in politics and even serving as judges turned to grudges to feather their own nest at the destruction of the all. However, today, to show our resilience, Jamaica is making remarkable strides to create opportunities that uplift the lives of its citizens who were badly downtrodden by leeches and pillagers to our coffers that almost drove the nails in our coffins. The government's initiatives are not just policies on paper, they are lifelines that offer hope and a brighter future to those in need. Through comprehensive programs targeting education, healthcare, employment, and social welfare, the Jamaican government is making significant progress in reducing poverty and enhancing the quality of life for its most vulnerable populations. I will drink to that. We are making great progress. We are. Big up, Doctor, the most honorable Andrew Holness and his hard working team. Education is a direct pathway to empowerment. It is a cornerstone of Jamaica's development strategy. Recognizing the transformative power of knowledge, the Andrew Holness government has implemented various initiatives to ensure that every child, regardless of their socio-economic background, has access to quality education. The program of advancement through health and education path is a shining example. This conditional cash transfer program provides financial assistance to families, enabling children to stay in school and achieve academic success. By investing in education, the government is not only breaking the cycle of poverty, but also equipping the next generation with the skills needed to thrive in a competitive global economy. So I say, raise your glasses and wish the naysayers in darkness will soon see the light. All they ever see all day is nothing now one where everything is going on. My peeps, a healthy population is essential for national development. You hear what I just said? I said a healthy population is essential for national development. The Jamaican government has launched several healthcare initiatives aimed at providing accessible and affordable medical services to all citizens. The National Health Fund (NHF) is a pivotal program that subsidizes medical or it sub medical it subsidizes medical expenses for chronic illnesses, ensuring that even the most disadvantaged individuals can access necessary treatments. Additionally, the expansion of health centers and hospitals across the island has improved. It has improved healthcare accessibility then, particularly in rural areas. These efforts demonstrate the government's commitment to ensuring that every Jamaican, regardless of their financial status, can lead a healthy life. This is why we celebrate the moment, having in our corner the greatest Prime Minister that our country has ever seen. Raise your glasses to celebrate the gift of Andrew Holness and the star-studded shower team to Jamaica. When the JLP won that last election, it seemed like Jamaica won the Super Lotto. No one wins the Lotto without celebrating, if it is even with some sorrel juice or ginger beer, my Jamaican people. So raise your glasses. Come on, come on, and let's be positive. We are tired of the nay, nay, nay. And when we look at those that point fingers and talk about integrity, all we see are the FINSAC people, my people, both the leeches and the grudges. And the grudges are snaking under the grass and pretending like they were not there in FinSac. Now they talk about integrity, even trying to talk down to the greatest prime minister, like when the devil tried to talk down to Jesus. Black out the bad thoughts and celebrate. Black out the leeches and the grudges. And your wholeness is working, and we wonder if and why the media is hiding it. We want to celebrate our progress, not listen to devils try to take the spotlight as heroes, coming as grudges and leeches to grudge and leech upon us again. Blot them out and celebrate. I said, blot them out and celebrate. Employment is creating opportunities for all my people. Unemployment is a significant barrier to economic stability and personal fulfillment. To address this, the Jamaica government has introduced programs that stimulate job creation and support entrepreneurship. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation JBDC offers training, mentorship, and funding to aspiring entrepreneurs, empowering them to turn their ideas into successful businesses. Furthermore, the Heart NSTA Trust provides vocational training and certification, equipping individuals with the skills needed to secure employment in various industries. However, it will not work for anyone unless that person takes up the offer. Don't listen to those with baba or confounded speech or vision. Black out the brrr, 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 and get back to the part where we are being coherent and making sense. Then celebrate. Celebrate the very fact that you black them out, for they make the loudest noise, these empty barrels. By fostering a culture of entrepreneurship and skill development, the government is creating pathways for financial independence and economic growth. And that's a great opportunity to say cheers again. Here's to the prosperity. Here's to the growth of our country, Jamaica, land we love. No leeches or grudges that farm against us shall prosper. Raise your glasses again. Jamaica is a positive vibes country, so black out the negatives or send it back to must be England or something. Social welfare provides a safety net for the vulnerable, my people. In addition to education, healthcare, and employment, the Jamaican government recognizing the importance of social welfare programs in supporting those who are most vulnerable. The National Insurance Scheme NIS and the Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH provide essential financial support to the elderly, the disabled, and low income families. These programs ensure that individuals who are unable to work or are in dire financial situations have access to basic necessities and can live with dignity. Celebrate. Celebrate, I say, celebrate, peeps. Let's celebrate. My people, we must empower our women and youths. Special attention is given to women and youth by the Andrew Holness administration. Women and youths are often dis- disproportionately affected by poverty and unemployment. Initiatives such as the Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation, WCJF, and the Youth Employment in Digital and Animation Industries, YEDAI project, offer tailored support to these groups. The WCJF provides education and vocational training to young mothers, while, while YEDAI creates employment opportunities in emerging sectors. These programs are crucial in breaking down barriers and fostering an inclusive society where everyone has the chance to succeed. This, my jolly people, is the gateway to a brighter future for all of us. SkyWalker takes the opportunity to raise, if it's even this coffee cup, and celebrate. Jamaica is a nation of good vibes and great smiles. We are progressing and we want to have fun with that. Not listen to no darn the nay and brr all day. This JLP government's dedication to creating opportunities for its citizens is a testament to its commitment to national development and social equity. Through strategic investments in education, healthcare, employment, and social welfare, the government is not only addressing immediate needs but also laying the foundation for long term prosperity. Raise the vessel and say shower to the world again. These initiatives are more than just policies, they are transformative forces that empower individuals, uplift communities, and inspire a nation. As Jamaica continues on this path of progress, the collective effort of the government, private sector, and civil society will undoubtedly lead to a brighter, more inclusive future for all Jamaicans. The journey is challenging, but with resilience and determination, Jamaica is poised to achieve its vision of a society where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive. And because we are not bad mind people, but we love our country, because we rather to celebrate its successes instead of trying to break down and corrupt, because we know where we are going and we will get there on top of that holy mountain come hell or high water. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.